Hi, in this video, we'll discuss about the text category functions in Power BI. Okay, so we have this text DAX table. So you will see we have two columns in this particular file, that is a sales representative and the product ID. So if I click on this, so we have a lot of sales representative name we have, but the problem is, like, when I open that data in Power BI, see what happened. I got the name is coming in not a proper way. So what I come to know that this name is coming in this way just because of having unnecessary spaces in with these names. So the first question, like, if I open a data and having unnecessary spaces there, how can I fix that? So it's quite simple. Just have to add a new column. Let's say name is sales representative with a different expression, sales representative. So to remove unnecessary space, guys, you have to use this formula, that when we call it a trim function. Okay, but you have to choose the only sales representative from this text DAX. Okay, so see this one which we are talking about, like, so you have to be very sure, like, from which you are getting, yeah, choosing that headers from which table. Okay, so let's close this bracket and hit enter. See, I got exactly same column with my data. Okay, so we got the answer, and you can see, like, it's delete all the unnecessary spaces and having one space in between, that Olson and Christie. Got it? So this is the way you can use this trim function to remove unnecessary spaces. Now, just assume, like, just an example, like if I wanted to get the same name, removing all these spaces, and I wanted to put a dash in between this Olson and Christie, then so what you can use a formula like this one. This is the formula which gives me an opportunity to change the old text from the new text. So look at the argument. The text is highlighting. We have taken the text. This trim function will fix and clear all the spaces. Instead of one, put the comma, old text. So the old text we have in this column, that one is a space just to define. Now it's asking me, I'll find that space bar in that column, then in which icon, how you wanted to change this space bar. So I'll put this dash in between. Let's close this bracket and let's hit enter. Look at that. Okay, so instead of that space bar, it's coming with a dash symbol. Got it? Now, so this trim function we understand, substitute we understand. Now let's discuss about the next one, and that is, I wanted to, this sales representative name is coming in a in, in a, like, first capital and rest small in this way. But if I wanted to turn these sales representative name in a capital letters, how can I do that? Simply add a new column. Type a name like sales re one. See, to turn, to convert any small letter into capital, you should use this formula, called it a upper formula. So it's asking me for text. Simply you have to choose that sales, and then this one. Let's close this bracket and hit enter. See, I got all the names into a capital letters. Okay, so this is the way. Like, similarly, if I wanted to turn all these names into a small letter, then yes, absolutely right. Like, we will use the formula called is a lower. Let me show you just that's a lower. Okay, so let's hit enter. See, all the names are coming, all the characters are coming in a small letters. Got it? So this is the way you can use lower, upper. Now guys, look at this product ID. This product ID basically is the combination of three things. First three letters is the combination of first letter is basically representing the product's code. The second two is representing the state, and the last numbers digits are representing the invoice number. We got this product ID with in a single column with a consolidation of all. So my requirement is I wanted to separate them in a separate column. Okay, so how will you do that? So that product code, product name is coming from the left side, then we'll use this formula. So let's say the name it will be just a moment. Yeah, that's product. So from to get the names from the left side, you can use directly that left function asking me for the text, and text is I'm getting text from this product ID. How many characters we are looking from? Looking from the left one, that is 3 characters, and just close this bracket and hit enter. So we have a separate product name. Now, if I wanted to get this state name, which is coming in between this product ID. So anytime if you wanted to extract any characters, numbers from any product ID or number ID,